Welcome to the scripting DROD video, the episode Speech Queue, which is an addendum to the previously recorded episode Speech and Flash. And even though this episode is an addendum, it's kinda important to watch it before the other one, so it's going to be placed before. I would like to thank Nanter, who has kindly pointed out in a comment to the previous video that I have missed the information about how the messages are displayed in the game, the so-called queue for the messages. So that's what I would like to talk to you about today. The first thing you need to know is that in DROD, messages are displayed asynchronously, something like that. What it means is that the messages are added to the queue during the script execution, but there is a completely separate mechanism which is responsible for them being displayed. So it boils down to this. Once a message appears, I can move and it has no effect on the message being displayed unless there is a command like flash speech or player hits space button which clears the messages, in which case it then makes a difference. The other thing to know is that the messages are always displayed in the order they have been added. A message is added to the queue when the corresponding speech command has been run. So this script adds messages to the queue one by one with some waits in between, so I can add something while the text is being displayed. And as you can see, the first message displays, I just made another step, and the next message from the goblin has only appeared after the Bifrost speech finished displaying. Let's start again. I will wait 3 turns. So Bifrost speaks now, and as you can see, these messages have already been added to the queue. They are already in the speech log. Excuse me. So the game in real time processes them, displays the next one, and once it is finished, it goes to another one. What next is there is a hard limit on the number of messages that can be displayed at the same time. And the limit is 3 messages. As you can see, there have been 3 ellipses, and despite that, when the 4th message appeared, the first ellipsis just went away. And another important aspect is that there's only a limit on the number of messages. If you have very long messages which span multiple lines, you can display 3 of them, even if they take half of the screen, like this. See? It's 3 messages. Each is a lot of text being written. We can even make it longer. For example, like this. I'll make another test. Ctrl W, Ctrl W, Ctrl W, okay. Yep, it takes almost the whole screen, and it's all legal and alright in the game. And that's all. That's how messages in DROD work. So to reiterate, calling a speech command adds a message to the queue. Completely irrespective to the game time, to the turns, the messages are displayed to the user one by one after another. Once all of the messages are processed and displayed, all the remaining ones just disappear. So thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, just ask. Take care.